friends ask me, how much burps can you do?
Get out.
Oops. And I say to them how much I want to. Like this. Please excuse me if you don't like burp, because there's gonna be a lot of burps. And then no one's gonna watch it because only my friends are like, yeah. Anthony, do what? I got a fart. I ate Chipotle today and it made me poo poo. That's Chipotle farts from your mouth. Sounds like my poop when I ate Chipotle today, but in my burps.